Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. And whom should I rant about? Of course, Microsoft. So, we learned today that, signing into accounts and being signed in and staying signed in is, what was said in the blog post, and everybody was like, oh, so now when you go into an account, a Microsoft account, you'll have to remember to, sign out if you're not on your PC or if you're on a device that's not yours, and because you'll be signed in and always stay signed in. But then Microsoft comes back and says, oh, no, it was a mistake. Uh-huh. And for now, which is not clear. Once again, the fantastic way of Microsoft of talking about stuff without being clear. So, oh no, it's a mistake, and the blog post got removed. But when you put a phrase that says, well, it's not going to happen in February. Okay, well, it's going to happen someday. And so that thing is clear, like always with Microsoft. How many times did Microsoft go say something and removed a blog post and said, oh, no, it's all right, it's a mistake. It shouldn't have been there. That's the weirdest thing for a big company like that to go that way. It's like, oh, no, we shouldn't have posted this page. Or somebody by mistake put up this page. Well, is it? Or is it that, oh, let's put up this page, let's have everybody do a buzz about it, and then everybody goes crazy and it's like, oh, no, by mistake, this is not what we wanted, because they see all the buzz around it. I mean, come on, guys. This is so dumb. It's like a childish company. It's like, oh, I'm going to put this up now, and oh, I shouldn't have put this up, or somebody else put this up and shouldn't be there, and it's like, what the hell are you doing, guys? Why are there blog posts being put up and down, up and down all the time? Oh, no, it's a mistake. No, we shouldn't have done that. No, it's not what we mean. Then, first of all, freaking do it right. Second of all, can you freaking talk in a language that we can understand? And three, can you freaking be precise so that we know what you mean? Because all of that is what's happening in reverse. It's like, we have no idea what you say. We have no idea what you mean by whatever you're posting. And it's, I don't know. Is it a, 7-year-old child that's writing your stuff? Come on. Be clear, direct, and say what you mean. And say, hey, we made a mistake. People don't want it. We're rolling back. Be an adult. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.